After this match, we will be going to witness an exhibition match against Carlo Von Burinaga and Janlo Mark Sonia.
Hindi pa 10 minutes dito.
And of course, our absolute division. Registrations are still open, so please, if those who want to join, for those who want to join the absolute, kindly come in front and register now.